How does teacher's desk work? VirTech Lab lets you see everything a student is doing on the platform, including the number of practical attempts, quiz question responses, duration of play, and final grades earned. That way, you can keep continuous tabs on the student's progress and use behavioral data as feedback to make adjustments. When you scroll down after login in Teacher's Desk, you can see 3 options available there. First, the student list provides the facility of observing students' activity in the VirTech environment, like their registration details, practical details, and much more. Second, Send Notice, which provides the facility of sending notices to students on their VirTech desk with some cool features. Like the expiry date of the notice, green yellow red flag indicates the importance of the notice. Third, Practical Management is under development for now and will release its features in future videos. VirTech Lab integrates with all major LMS so that educators can use their gradebook to track students' performance data and students can keep a record of their work.